Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So, my dear student, let us start our class. Our today's lecture number is 9 of half yearly 2021, and there is no SW today. My dear student, our today's topic is exercise 4.1. From exercise 4.1, we shall solve question number 11, 12, and from 13 we shall solve question number D. Okay, so let us start our class. My dear students, I hope you have this book. Okay, please open this book, page number 56. From 56, we shall solve question number 11, 12, and 30. I have already written the questions on the board. Okay, this is 11, 12, and 13 D number question. At first we solve question number 11. So let us at first read the question. If x plus y equal to 12 and xy equal to 27, find the value of x minus y whole square and x square plus y square. I repeat, the x plus y equal to 12 and x equal to 27. These two expressions are given, and by using the value of x plus y and xy, we find the value of x minus y whole square and x square plus y square. In order to solve this, at first we write given that. Question number 11. So write here given that. Okay, given that here x plus y equal to 12 and xy equal to 27. Now, my dear student, we need to find out the value of x minus y whole square. So here I write now x minus y whole square. Dear student, notice here x plus y's value is given and xy's value is given, and we know a formula a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So x is a and y is b, so we use this formula in this section. Okay, now write x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Now we put the value of x plus y and also xy. So here the value of x plus y is 12. So now write 12 square minus 4 into what is the value of xy? The value of xy equal 27. 27. Here we give side note, putting the value of x plus y and xy. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now, my dear student, we do calculation here. 12 square, that means we multiply 12 with 12 and we get 144. Now we multiply 4 with 27. 4 7s are 28, carrying 2. 4 2s are 8 and 2 10. Now I do subtraction. 8 to 14, it will be 16. It will be 6. 8 to 14 need 6, and carrying on that one is added with this 0 and it will be 1. 1 to 4, it will be 3. So 36 is the answer, is the value of x minus y whole square. Now we find the value of x square plus y square. Okay, in this section we do this. Here x square and plus y square. My dear student, what is the formula of a square plus b square? The formula of a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Here x instead of a and y instead of b. So we can write x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Now we put the value of x plus y. What is the value of x plus y? It is 12. Now we write here 12 square minus 2 into what is the value of xy? The value of xy is 27. Now 12 square, that means 144 minus 2 7 jar 14, carrying on 2 2 jar 4 and 5, 54. Dear student, here we write side note, putting the value of x plus y and xy. Okay. Now we do subtraction. 4. If we subtract, then we get 0. 5 to 14, then we need 9. And that 1 is added with this section, it will be 1. If we subtract 1 from 1, then we get 0. So these two are the answer. Here 36 and 90. I repeat, 36 and 90. So it is one answer and it is another answer. Okay. As our solution is done, so you must write answer. Okay. So this is question number 11. Next we shall solve question number 12. Okay. As usual, at first we write given that 12 number question. At first we write given that the value of if a plus b equal to 13 and a minus b equal to 3. So write here a plus b equal to 13 and a minus b equal to 3. Now we find the value of 2a square plus 2b square and ab. At first we find the value of 2a square plus 2b square. Now 2a square plus 2b square. Okay, here you notice 2a square 2b square. So we take 2 as common. We know that common means we divide both number by the common number. That means we divide twice a square by 2 and 2b square by 2, and we get a square plus b square. Okay. Okay, dear students. Now, and we know this formula 2 into a square plus b square. What is the formula of 2 into a square plus b square? The formula of 2 into a square plus b square is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now we put the value of a plus b and a minus b. The value of a plus b is 13 square and the value of a minus b is 3a square. Now here we give side note, putting the value of a plus b and a minus b. Okay. Now 169 plus 3 3 are 9. 9 9 18, carrying 1. That 1 is added with this 6, it will be 7. So 178. It is the answer of 2a square and 2a square plus 2b square. Now we shall find out the value of ab, and we have already know the formula of ab, which is 4 divided by a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. I hope you have understood. Here you write and ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square by 4, and the value of a plus b and a minus b is given. Now we put the value of a plus b and a minus b. What is the value of a plus b? The value of a plus b is 13 and the value of a minus b is 3. So 13 square minus 3 square divided by 4. Now we do calculation. That means 13 square means 169 and 3 square means 3 3 are 9 by 4. That means we subtract 9 from 169 and we get 160 by 4 and we get 40. Okay, we get 40. So this is the answer of another part. Okay, I hope you have understood. This is question number 11 and this is question number 12. Next we shall solve question number 13. Question number 13 is expressed as the difference of the square of two expressions. Okay, in order to solve that question we erase this. My dear student, do you know this formula? AB equal to x plus y by 2, AB equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. We need this formula to solve this 13 number question. Okay, I repeat. AB equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Okay, we know this formula. By using this formula, we shall solve question number D. So, 13D, the question is 5x plus 13 and 5x minus 13. My dear student, notice. Here we consider 5x plus 13 is A and 5x minus 13 is B. So, we use this formula here. So, this formula is 2 is placed here. Here A is 5x plus 13 plus B. B is 5x minus 13 as the sign is plus. So, this signs no change. Okay, this sign no change. So, I write here and here I give square sign and this formula is minus. After that we give again bracket and here we write 2. First of all we write A means 5x plus 13 and then we give minus. For this minus the sign will be changed, that means here plus, it will be minus 5x minus and this minus it will be plus 13 whole square. I hope you have understood. Now dear student, notice here plus 13, here minus 13. So, both number are cut and left 10x by 2 whole square and here 5x cut and left 13 plus 13, that means 26 by 2 whole square. So, we cut 10x by 2 and we get 5x whole square minus we divide 26 by 2, we get 13 square. Dear student, this is the expression of the difference of a square of two expression. I hope you have understood and this is the answer. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Okay, there is no SW. Okay, you must practice this very carefully and next day we shall solve another problem which is CBQ number 14. So, my dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.